In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to fork a repository in GitHub. Forking allows you to create your own copy of someone else's repository, giving you the freedom to experiment and make changes without affecting the original project. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the repository you want to fork. You can find a repository through GitHub's search function or by opening a direct link. Once you're on the repository page, look toward the upper right corner and click on Fork. GitHub will take you to a new page where you can configure your fork. Here, you can change the repository name if you'd like. This is optional, but it can help you distinguish your fork from the original repository. After making any desired changes, click Create Fork. GitHub will now create a copy of the repository under your account. Depending on the size of the repository, this may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you will be redirected to your new forked repository. At the top of the repository, you'll see a message indicating that it's forked from the original repository. This lets you know where the fork originated. Your fork is now a separate repository that you can modify, experiment with, and develop independently. You can also use it to contribute changes back to the original project through a pull request. And that's it. You've successfully forked a repository in GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.